Morning students. Okay, in previous videos we discussed different type of concepts of coordinate geometry, and also in previous video, if the given vertices are form a triangle, then what is the condition? Sum of any two distances is greater than the third distance. Is it clear or not? So observe here, one question arises. Are the points 3, 2, minus 2, 3 and 2, 3 form a triangle? Form a triangle. Yes, aside, just rough out part. So form a triangle, students, like this. Just rough diagram. A, B, C. Let me consider first vertices A, 3, 2. Next one B, minus 2, minus 3, and this C, 2, 3. Okay. Yes, we find the distances. So distance of AB, BC along with AC. We know very well. What is distance formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Right, using that formula. So solution given. So solution given by using distance formula. By using distance formula. Equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Right? So here first we find AB. So distance of AB. Distance of AB. Okay, AB. So here, to the fourth side, A, 3, 2 and B, minus 2, minus 3. So this is x1, y1 and also x2, y2. Right, square root of x2 minus x1, minus 2, minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1, minus 3, minus 2 whole square. So then that implies square root of minus 5 whole square plus here also minus 5 whole square. So then that implies square root of 5 square value 25. Here also 5 square value 25. 25 plus 25 50. So square root of 50. Square root of 50 can be written as 5 root 2. 5 root 2. Okay. This is the first distance of AB. Then we find distance of BC along with the distance of CA also. Okay. Right, observe students here. After AB, next distance of BC, D of BC. So one time write down the formula, enough no need to organize. So next one, square root of, as we say, so observe B. Vertices are minus 2, minus 3, and again C, 2, 3. This is x1, y1, and again this is x2, y2. Same, x2 value. So 2 minus 2, minus into minus plus. So 2 plus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1. 3 plus 3 whole square. So then that implies square root of 2 plus 2, 4 square. 4 square plus 9 square. Which implies square root of 4 square value 16, 9 square value 81. 16 plus 81. So then that implies 97. Square root of 97. Okay, right. So next one, distance of AC. Distance of AC equal to square root of, again take A 3, 2. Next C 2, 3. This is x1, y1 and again x2, y2. x1, y1 and x2, y2. Right. x2 minus x1, 2 minus 3 whole square plus and again y2 minus y1. 3 minus 2 whole square. So which implies square root of minus 1 whole square plus 1 square. So it becomes square root of 2 only. Square root of 2 only. So here, AB plus, observe here, what is the condition? AB plus any sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Observe here, AB and AC, their summation value, root 2 value means 1.414. So here also 5 into 1.414 multiply them, we can get result here also. But sum of this value, so here observe, just 97 means it is approximately it becomes 10. Approximately it becomes 10. Okay students? So and also root 2 value it becomes 1.414 and 5 into root 2. 5 into root 2 value. So 1.414 into 5. 5 4 is 20. 5 1 is 57. 5 4 is 20. 5 1 is 57. 7.07. Sum of this value. So 7 plus 1 point something near to 9. 9 but not equal to 10. But not equal to 10. So that's why here sum of any two sides is not satisfied, is not greater than third side. That's why given vertices are not satisfied, are not vertices of a triangle. Not vertices of a triangle, students. This is the way of approachment, students. Observe question. Check whether 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4, 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Okay, isosceles triangle means the sum of any two distances are equal. Okay, so right, observe the solution. Solution given vertices are. Vertices are, let me consider A. First one A, 5 comma minus 2, and again B, 6 comma 4, next C, 7 comma minus 2, 7 comma minus 2, right, by using distance formula, by using distance formula. Equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Y2 minus y1 whole square. Right. First we find distance of AB equal to, go off the side, A 5 comma minus 2. Next B 6 comma 4. So here x1 y1 and also x2 y2. AB. So again square root of x2 minus x1, 6 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 4 plus 2 whole square. So then that implies square root of 6 minus 1 equal to 1 square, 1 equal to 1. 4 plus 2, 6 square 36. So finally it becomes 37. 37 units simply. 37 units. Okay, students. Let's go for distance of BC. Distance of BC equal to next B 6 comma 4. Next C 7 comma minus 2. 7 comma minus 2. Okay, this is x1 y1 and again this is x2 y2. Right, apply the formula. X2 minus x1, 7 minus 6 whole square plus next minus 2 minus 4. Minus 2 minus 4 whole square. So it implies square root of 1 square value nothing but 1. Minus 2 minus 4 means minus 6. Minus 6 whole square value nothing but 36. So it becomes square root of 37. So units. Yes, we can take third also. D of AC. Distance of AC equal to square root of AC value A 5 comma minus 2. A 5 comma minus 2 and C 7 comma minus 2. 7 comma minus 2, that is x1 y1 and also x2 y2. Next one, yes, x2 minus x1. So 7 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 2 plus 2 whole square. So it becomes square root of this value 0. 0 whole square nothing but 0. 7 minus 2 whole square means this value 2. 2 square means 4. Square root of 4 value nothing but 2. So observe here students, distance of AB and distance of BC both values are equal. So any two distances are equal given what he says form an isosceles triangle. The students understood what I said? Right. You can go for next problem, students. Right, observe students, next problem. Show that the points form an equilateral triangle A comma 0, B minus A comma 0, C 0 comma A root 3. Okay, right. Equilateral triangle means all distances are equal. Yes, apply the solution. Solution given what is this? A comma 0, next B minus A comma 0, and again C 0 comma A root 3. Okay. By using distance formula, equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 minus y1 whole square, right? So first one, distance of AB. Distance of AB equal to, right, square root of first A comma 0, next B minus A comma 0. This is x1 y1 and also x2 y2. x2 minus x1 minus A whole square plus y2 minus y1 0 minus 0 whole square. So minus A means minus 2A whole square. So 0 whole square nothing but here square root get cancelled. First of all, minus 2A whole square means 4A square, or minus 2A whole square, minus 2A whole square or 2A whole square both are same. Minus 2A whole square or 2A whole square both are same. Square root get cancelled. What you get finally? 2A is the final solution. Next, go for distance of BC. Distance of BC equal to square root of, right, B value B minus A comma 0 and again C 0 comma A root 3. 0 comma A root 3. That is x1 y1, x2 y2. x2 minus x1. 0 plus A whole square plus A root 3 minus 0. A root 3 minus 0 whole square. So it becomes square root of 0 plus A whole square means nothing but A square plus A root 3 whole square. That means A square distribute both terms, 3A whole square. 3A whole square. 3A whole square means square root of 4A square. 4A square can be written as square root of 4A square value nothing but 2A. Nothing but 2A. Okay friends, let's go for distance of AC. Distance of AC. Right, observe. Here is it here. Distance of AC equal to, and again square root of, here also to row for A comma 0, next C value here 0 comma A root 3, x1 y1 and also x2 y2. Okay, right. x2 minus x1 whole square. 0 minus A whole square plus y2 minus y1 a root 3 minus 0 whole square a root 3 minus 0 whole square, that is square root of 0 minus a nothing but a students, so minus a whole square nothing but a square plus here also 3a square, so that is square root of 4a square. 4a square value nothing but 2a. Observe distance of AB value 2a, distance of BC value 2a, distance of AC value also 2a. Okay, so all distances are equal, therefore given vertices are form an equilateral triangle. Yes, I gave one homework related to equilateral triangle students. One homework problem students related to equilateral triangle. Observe the problem. Show that the points form an equilateral triangle PA, A, Q minus A or minus A root 3, A root 3. Okay? So by using distance formula, we can get the result students. Go for next triangle vertices students. Yes, observe students in this problem. Show that the points 12, 8, minus 2, 6 and 6, 0 are the vertices of a right angle triangle. So first do rough diagram aside right angle triangle. By Pythagoras theorem we know that h square equal to s square plus s square. Satisfy that one. Given vertices are form a right angle triangle. Let me consider this is A, B, C. What do we put here? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So same procedure. Solution given vertices are. Solution given vertices are A 12, 8 and again B minus 2, 6 and again C 6, 0. So here first one by using distance formula. So distance formula. Right, distance of AB 12, x2 minus x1 square root of x2 minus x1 minus 2 minus 12 whole square plus y2 minus y1 6 minus 8 whole square, so it becomes square root of minus 14 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. So minus 14 whole square means 196 plus 2 square value 4, 200 square root of 200. Okay, AB value 200, then AB square equal to 200 only. So which is equation number 1. Comes to next one. Distance of BC equal to square root of B minus 2, 6 also C 6, 0 minus 2, 6 C 6, 0. Right, observe students here x1 y1 and also x2 y2 right, x2 minus x1 whole square, so that is 6 plus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 0 minus 6 whole square, so which implies square root of 6 plus 2 means 8 square plus of minus 6 whole square nothing but 6 square, 8 are 64 plus 100 36, 64 plus 36 nothing but square root of 100. This is distance of BC, then BC square equal to 100 students, which is equation number 2 taken. Then we find AC. Okay, selecting this problem. Next, distance of AC. Distance of AC, right? Square root of A 12 comma 8, C 6 comma 0. Right. X1 y1, X2 y2. X2 minus X1, 6 minus 12 whole square, plus y2 minus 1, 0 minus 8 whole square. So it becomes square root of minus 6 whole square, minus 6 whole square equal to plus minus 8 whole square. Minus 6 whole square value nothing but 36, plus minus 8 whole square value. So that is 64. So it becomes square root of 100. Square root of 100. So that is AC square equal to 100. Which is equation number 2. So observe friends here. Sum of any two sides is equal to square of hypotenuse. That means here observe AC square value 100, AB square value 200 and BC square value 100. So here AB square equal to BC square plus AC square. Satisfied one condition. So AB square value 200 equal to BC square value 100 plus 100 plus 100. So here AB is the hypotenuse, BC and AC are other two sides. So satisfy this condition means given vertices are form an right angle triangle. Right. Prove that the points minus 7, minus 3, 5, comma 10, 15, comma 8, 3, comma minus 5 taken in order are the coordinates of a parallelogram. Coordinates nothing but vertices or points. Okay, parallelogram means you know that given vertices are parallelogram means opposite sides are equal and diagonals are not equal. So observe here. First draw a diagram on side. So A, B, C and also D. AC and BD are diagonals of a parallelogram. Okay, here AB, we proved AB equal to CD and BC equal to AD, along with AC is not equal to BD. By using distance formula, we can get the result, students. Okay, first of all, and also here by using midpoint formula also we can get the result. What is midpoint formula? X1 plus Y1 by 2, X2 plus Y2 by 2. By using that one also we can get the result. Midpoint of AC equal to midpoint of BD, then given vertices are parallelogram. Like this. Taken students. First of all, apply the distance formula. Solution given vertices. Okay, here write down here only A minus 7 minus 3 and B 5 comma 10. Next to C 15 comma 8. D 3 comma minus 5. D 3 comma minus 5. Okay. By using distance formula, compulsory write on the formula. Distance formula equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square Okay, right, observe students here. First, distance of AB. Distance of AB equal to square root of aside of A 7 minus 7 minus 3. So signs of the students carefully. 5 comma 10. So x1 y1 and also x2 y2. Distance of AB y2 minus y1 10 plus 3 x2 minus x1 5 plus 7 whole square plus y2 minus y1 10 plus 3 whole square. So it becomes square root of 5 plus 7 means 12. So 12 square plus 13 square. So 12 square value nothing but 144. 13 square value 169. So it becomes square root of 144 169. So 313. Square root of 313 units. Square root of 313 units. Right. Next, distance of BC equal to square root of SB 510. Next, C 15 comma 8. So here x1 y1 also x2 y. Distance of BC x2 minus x1 15 minus 5 directly 10 square plus y2 minus y1 minus 2 whole square. So it becomes square root of 10 square by 100 plus 104. 104. Next one. Distance of CD equal to square root of C value. C 15 comma 8. Also D 3 comma minus 5. So here x1 y1 and also x2 y2. x2 y2, right. x2 minus x1. So 3 minus 15 whole square plus minus 5 minus 8. Minus 5 minus 8 whole square. So it becomes square root of minus 12 whole square plus minus 13 whole square. So it becomes square root of 144 plus 116. So it becomes square root of 313 units. 313 units. So CD completed. Let's go for AD. Distance of AD equal to square root of A value. A minus 7 minus 3. Next B 3 comma minus 9. That is x1 y1 and also x2 y1. x2 minus x1. 3 plus 7 means 10 square directly plus minus 5 plus 3 minus 2 whole square. So it becomes square root of 104. So here observe AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. You can get same result. And also BC equal to AD. So opposite distances are equal. Then we find AC value along with BD value. Then we conclude that. Okay. Selecting these students. Next, distance of AC equal to square root of A value. A minus 7 minus 3. Next, C 15 comma 8. So x1 y1 also x2 y2. x2 minus x1 15 plus 7 whole square plus y2 minus y1 8 plus 3 whole square. So it becomes square root of 15 plus 7 22. 22 whole square plus 11 whole square. So 22 into 22. 484. 484 plus 121. So it becomes square root of 20602. This is AC value. And again, distance of BD. Distance of BD equal to assign B value. B 5 comma 10, again D 3 comma 5. So x1 y1 and also x2 y2. Okay, x2 minus x1, 3 minus 5 whole square plus minus 5 minus 10 whole square. So it becomes square root of minus 2 whole square plus minus 15 whole square. So it becomes square root of 4 plus 15 into 15. 44 1 225. So it becomes square root of 229. So here observe. Opposite sides are equal, means opposite distances are equal, but diagonals are not equal. Therefore, what we conclude about is given points are vertices of a parallelogram. Vertices of a parallelogram. Subject textbook students, some of you, this related problem is there. So practice carefully. Yes, I gave one homework problems for this.